Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am here to do the sneak peek fire sale video for, August 21st, all right? So we're going to go ahead and do that sneak peek video. If you haven't yet paid, I've got a couple people who haven't paid yet, so make sure you do that. All right, let's get to it. Number one is a water pick shower head for $15. I got quite a few of these shower heads, but this one is the largest one. $15. Number two is also another water pick shower head with a gray hose, so it's a little bit smaller. It has all the pieces as far as I know. $15 as well. Nice attachment. Number three is an Alfani size large tan top for $35. Number four is a USA flag purse. These are my concealed carry purses that I just got in. We got a bunch of them on the sale today. So $35 for each purse. They are leather. And I have two of them available for these fun USA flag purses. And then number five is a shower curtain white lot fabric set for $20. Then we have an Opal House mint bath rug. We have two of them for $5 a piece. Number seven is a silver trash can set. You're going to get both of them. This one's a little bit dinged up. This one's in perfect shape, but we're just going to sell them both together for $10 for both of them. Then we have number eight. We've got these awesome beach towels. We're going to sell them $5 a piece, and there's 17 available. So I would recommend if you want more than one, they all match. They're all the same pattern. They're that pink stripe pattern, as you can see kind of on the sticker there. Just put on there, like number 8 times however many you want. Like I said, there's 17 of them, so you can get 10, you can get 5, you can get 2, you can get 1. So they're only $5 a piece, so that's a really cheap deal on those beach towels. They're really large too. And then number 8 we have there is, number 9 is a vanity storage shelf for $20. It goes under the sink. Number 10, if you saw me do my collectibles box, this is all of the Harry Potter stuff. So it's a plethora of Harry Potter things. I can get them all out and show them to you tomorrow. $20 for all of the Harry Potter stuff. So we got, cards and pins and cool stuff. All right, then we have number 11 is another water pick silver bath set with some, just got some yellow tape on it, but it's a silver shower head attachment, which is also $15. Number 12 is a teal bath rug set. So it comes with multiple pieces. I think the one that goes around the toilet and the one on the floor and all that. $20 for the whole set. So we'll show you the whole thing. Number 13 is a Karen Scott purple top size extra, extra large for $20. Then number 14, again from those little toy novelty collectible sets, we've got a bunch of Marvel toys in this pack of stuff. So Marvel toys, $20 for everything you see in this bag. Then number 15 is a shower caddy. These are the silver ones, silver shower caddies. And so I have 3 available, $15 for these corner silver shower shelves, basically. Then number 16 is a Weight Gurus scale, Weight Guru scales, and you can see all the fun things at those. I have 2 of those available for $20. They do the body fat percentage, the muscle mass, the water weight, the...
Number 17.
Number 17, okay, I was talking about the scales though. I have 2 of those available. Number 17 is a large blue and silver purse. I wanted to show it to you. So it comes in its own bag. This is $40. Look at that awesome purse. So it's silver and blue. It's got really deep pockets. Look at this. All the way up to my elbow. But it's a real kind of a little bit of a narrower purse. Just like this. Got a little keychain on it. Short little strap. And look, it's a leather purse. Conceal carry. Or cell phone pocket if you're not a gun toter. So that's an option for you. So this blue purse is awesome. I'm just going to kind of leave it out of the bag so that we don't have to pull it out the next day. All right, then number 18. That purse was $40. That purse was $40, that blue one. All right, then number 18 is a black shower shelf and mat together, the combo, for $10. Then number 19 is a double slider shelf. So they actually are really narrow shelves that pull forward. So that will fit anywhere. $10. We have 2 of them available. So if you want them both, remember to put ×2. Number 20 is a blue shower curtain set. You're going to get shower curtains and the toilet cover and the mat, all of that for $20. Then we're going to wander on over. Number 21 is a gray bath rug for $10. Look at the fuzziness. It's like a memory foam kind. So $10 for number 21. Number 22 is a tan shower curtain set. So you get this shower curtain, plus you get this storage container, plus this mat, all for $20. So that's number 22. Number 23 is a purple shower curtain set is what I call it, because it's got kind of these perfect matching colors. Look at that. Paul put that together. How fabulous is he? Plus, we get a shower liner that comes with it. So number 23 is $20 as well. Then number 24 is a silver shower shelf. So it has really nice suction cups on there, and that's going to be $10 just for that shelf alone. So perfect if you don't have enough shelf space in your shower, or if you're like me and you have a shelf and it's too short for your shampoo bottle. That's super frustrating. I have to always transplant all my shampoo into small short bottles. Anyway, rant over. Pet bed, $30 for this large pet bed. Number 26 is a white floor mat for $5. Number 27 is a gray shower shelf for $10. Number 28 is a miscellaneous set of collectibles. Remember those Harry Potter ones and the Star Wars ones? Well, this one just has a bunch of neat miscellaneous, some Jim Henson stuff, some kind of old, really collectible stuff. So $25 for the miscellaneous collectibles. So it's got a lot of really fun things in there. Then we've got number 29, a Project 62 striped bath set. And so it comes with a striped curtain. It comes with some suction cup, shower wall hangings, lots of fun things, some shower liners, all that. Then the next thing we have over here, number 30. Number 30 is a Project 62 soap dish set. So it comes with 2 soap dispensers, the toothpaste holder, and a shower curtain, a fabric shower curtain. Then number 31 is an Opal house curtain with a mat and with a soap dispenser, all kind of matching. And this actually looks like little clear glass rocks, which I love. All right, so number 32 is a blue and white curtain set. It comes with, hot mats and all that stuff. So all those fun things come in that. Number 33 is a gray shower curtain set with a toilet paper roll holder, really cute pattern on that fabric curtain, and over the door hooks as well. Then we've got number 34 is a blue floral bath set that comes with the shower hooks and the shower shelf and the fabric shower curtain. Number 35 is a tan and white bathroom set, comes with rugs, shower curtain, shower liner, all that fun stuff. So let's just redo the whole bathroom in this set. Number 36 is a white washcloth bath set, so it comes with washcloths and shower curtains and some other fun things we'll show you. Number 37 we call the bird bath set because it has a really cute birds on a wire kind of shower curtain with a shower liner and some other fun things in there. Then number 38 is a large shower caddy that hangs over your shower head for $10. Then number 39 is another one of those collectible bags. It's got peanuts and Disney items in it for $20 for all of that. Then that's fine. We were on number 39. We'll find the number 39 tag. Must have bumped it off. Number 40 is a Vince Camuto size 10 purple dress for $40. Number 41 is a Charter 1X black top for $35. Number 42 is an Alfani 3X teal top for $30. Number 43 is an INC International Concepts tan top. Size is OX, which is kind of a little bit larger than an extra large, $20. Number 44 is a Charter Club blue top, same size as the one before it, OX for $30. Number 45 is a Charter Club purple floral top, size large for $15. Number 46 is a Karen Scott gray top, size large for $15. Number 47 is a Karen Scott red top, size 3X for $15. Number 48 is a Simple Human shelf, So it's got a cool hook that goes over the shower head, plus suction cups at the bottom. Really nice, fancy one, $20. Number 49 is a Taylor bath scale. Look at all of these. They all look in great condition. Just the boxes are a little smushed, but all the scales do work. So I've got 8 of those available for $10 each. So you can buy more than one if you would like, but you have to signify that. Number 50 is a Weight Guru's bath scale for $30. Number 51 is a black shower caddy, just like the ones we saw over there that were silver, but this one is black, $15. Number 52 is another collectible lot, all Star Wars items, $25 for Star Wars stuff. Lots of stuff in there. Number 53 is a light blue bath mat for $5. Just the mat alone. Number 54 is a Weight Watchers pink scale for $15. And number 55 is a Weight Watchers purple scale for $15. Then number 56 is a white rug set for $15. Number 57 is a teal shower curtain set. You get every single thing in this box for $20. So very useful. Number 58 is an amazing black purse. This one also is a conceal carry purse. Really nice with the silver grommets. It's going to be $40 and they are brand new. And if you want more than one, I can order them from my wholesaler. Number 59, for all you Trekkies out there, you were waiting for it, weren't you? Number 29 or 59 is a Star Trek set of various different pins, cards, things like that, $25. Number 60 is a fabric lot of a bunch of patterned fabric for $20. Then number 61 is a USA purse for $20, really cute crossbody bag one. Number 63 is a number 62, I almost skipped it, Mark 1027 verse, which says, I can do all things, with God all things are possible. Mark 10:27, purse, also a concealed carry purse if you want it to be, $35. It's a crossbody black and teal one. Then number 63 is a fabric lot of mostly white fabric, $20. Number 64 is a Karen Scott gray top, size large for $20. Number 65 is a Style & Company purple top, size extra large for $15. Number 66 is an International Concepts INC pink top, 1X for $10. Number 67 is a blue cardigan, size extra large for $20. And then wandering on over to our very last table we got over here, we've got number 68 is an Alfani extra large black top for $25. Number 69 is an Alfani red top, size large for $25. Number 70 is a Style & Company black floral top, size large for $20. Number 71 is a Karen Scott blue top, extra large for $20. Number 72 is a Karen Scott white shawl for $15. Number 73, I almost kept, but I didn't. It's a poncho that is tan in color, large, extra large for $20. Number 74 is a Charter Club petite large purple top for $35. And then number 75 are these 3 tension rod shower curtain sets, 3 of them available for $5. So hopefully you find something that you like on this fire sale sneak peek. So you can make yourself a list, and we'll see you at noon tomorrow for the fire sales. That's Friday at noon Central Standard Time. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.